Perfect. Since now we have our tables created, okay, so now let's create some operation to operate inside of this table, okay. So now let's create some crude operations, okay. For that we are going to come here in our folder, okay. Let's create a new file. Let's save as a view, okay, view.py, this way, okay, boom. So here inside, okay, now we are going to create some functions that will help us, okay, to insert some data, to get some information also, and delete, to update. So let's create our crude operation here, okay. So for that, let's do something like this. First, let's create a function that is going to connect with our database, okay. So for that, let's import SQLite, okay, import SQLite, I always forget, okay, SQLite, okay, SQLite 3, okay, import SQLite 3, save, and if I run, nothing happened. That means it's good. So let's say first, okay, function to connect, okay, function to connect, connect is to end, connect, function to connect, good. So here let's create a def, okay, connect, def connect. So this def connect dot, dot is gonna be something like that. Let's create a variable called con, okay. This con will be equal SQLite 3, okay, SQLite 3 dot connect, okay. So it's going to connect to this guy, okay. So just let's reuse this, copy, and I'm going to come here and boom, I'll paste it, okay, boom. So after that, let's return what? Let's return our con, okay, this connection. Perfect. So every time that we need to connect to our database, we're just going to call this connect, okay, because here he will be handling this connection stuff. So the first function that we are going to create is the function that help us to insert some books inside of our database, okay. So let's create it here, okay. Insert a new book, okay, insert a new book, insert a new book. So to insert a new book, let's create a function called def insert, okay, def insert book. We're going to get a function to insert the book, okay, pass. After that also, let's create that, we'll create also, okay, a function to get the book, okay, get books, okay, or better return books, okay, return books, okay. This return books will be def, okay, return, okay, no, since it's a return we need to get it def get books, okay, get books, open and close, to, and pass, okay. This is only for the books, okay. And after get the books, okay, we need also to get the users, okay. So let's not get the use, to insert the user, okay. So let's say insert, okay, insert users. So to insert the user will be def insert, okay, def insert what? User. Def insert user will be open and close, to, boom. For while, just let's say pass, okay. After that, we need also a function to get the users, okay. So here will be get users. So this will be, okay, def get users, okay, open and close, dot, I do this and pass, okay. For now, just let's pass in. Let's not say get user, but let's say return users, okay, return users, save. And here down, another function that we are going to need will be to insert loan, okay. Let's say insert, okay, insert a new loan, okay. So this will be def insert underscore loan, okay, def insert loan dot, and for now just pass. Perfecto. And after that, we are going to have also to return the loans, okay, return all loans, okay. So to return all loans, let's say def get, okay, that what we are going to get the books, okay, books on loan, okay, books on loan, open close dot, boom, oh sorry, boom, and pass. I save. So after the get loan, so the last function that we will need, which be to return the books. Okay, so let's say here, okay, and it will be like something, okay, like update the return, update the return. So to update the returns, let's say def update, okay, update loan return date. Okay, open, close, bool, and pass. Perfect. So now let's attend our first function, which is insert the books. Okay, so to insert the books, we will need a title. Okay, so we need to give some arguments here. Okay, because we'll need to give a title and also the author of the book. Okay, the publisher. Okay, the publisher of the book and the publisher year. Okay, publisher, publication or publisher. Okay, publication year. Okay, publication year, and the ISBN. Okay, perfect. Enter. Okay, so now let's remove this pass here. Okay, bye bye. Enter. Perfect. Okay, so after that, okay, we need to do something like that. Okay, so let's call our con. Okay, so let's say con. Okay, this con will be equal connect. Okay, connect. So connect is the one that handles the connection, okay, which is this function. Okay, perfect. So now we have our connection, so let's insert the books. Okay, so let's say con dot execute. Okay, execute. What is going to execute? Now we need to pass some SQL commands, okay, so that it can be executed. So let's say insert, oh sorry, mistake, okay, then insert into, oh you buy into, insert into books. Okay, insert into books. What we are going to insert? Okay, we are going to insert all those values here. Okay, so I can just reuse them. Okay, I will just do this, copy, insert into the books. Let me open and close. I'm going to pass here all of them. Okay, and after this, okay, here, after here, let's use comma. Let's say values, sorry, values. Okay, which are the values? So here we will use question mark, okay, for that, because we don't know the values. Okay, so it must be the same as the argument that we gave here. Okay, how much? Let me see, 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to give a 5 question mark. So 1 2 2, okay, 3 4, oh sorry, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm going to save these, and after that, okay, we need to give the values. Okay, so that is this connection is going to receive. So which will be the values? So the values which will be those guys, okay, these ones. So let me just copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this, copy, and I'll come here. Okay, and it's here. So after this one, okay, so let's give a comma. Okay, come down, go up, 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 up. And I'm just going to copy them here. Okay, so it will be receiving those values that we will pass. Okay, so those ones, so those values is going to get by these question marks. Okay, perfect. So and after this, okay, we need to do some commit. Okay, so we need to do con, okay, con dot commit, okay, open, close, and then say con dot close. Okay, boom, perfect. So now we just got the first function. Okay, so our first function is this one, insert a new book. So this function will help us to insert a new book. So if I save this and if I run, boom, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, so now let's try to insert some values here. Okay, so to insert some values, let's say something like that. Okay, let's come here down at the bottom, and let's say, okay, and insert, okay, insert the book, open, close, and let's give some title. Let's say One Piece manga. Okay, let's say One Piece manga, and the comma, and let's give the author, let's say Oda, let's say Oda Sensei, Oda Sensei, okay, even though it doesn't make any sense, okay, comma, and which is the publisher, okay, publisher, let's say One Piece edition, One Piece edition, editions, One Piece editions, and after that, what in which year? So let's say 1997. I'm just giving random numbers, okay? So what's when was the date? Okay. Oh, sorry, the ISBN number. Okay, ISBN number. So let's use anything, okay, anything. We don't need to give the proper number. So let's say at least like 978 blah blah blah, okay, something like this, okay, save. And now let's run this to see if it's going to happen or not, okay, it's going to insert or not. So let's say save, and if I run this, boom, we start with our errors, okay. Now let's try to fight how we can solve this. So he said operation error near to syntax, where it is, and let me see. Okay, values, okay, perfect. Line 11, insert book, okay, con execute insert into books. Is it books or book? Insert into books. If I check here, is it books? Okay, that one is correct. Where is the error? 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 Values, okay. Oh, I think it's this comma, no? If I remove that comma, say I gave it comma here, okay. Let me remove and say, if I remove that comma, save. If I run, okay, boom, perfect, it's working. It was my comma that I put here, okay, near the value, so it wasn't supposed to be there, okay. I just remove it, and I save, I run, boom, it got inserted, okay. So this book. So now how we can see if the book is there or not? So for that, let's do this insert function, okay. Oh, not insert function, sorry, the get books function. So here in the get book functions, okay, if you want to see the books, we need to do this. So I'm just going to come here, okay, inside the book, okay, we are going to need this connection again. You come here and you stay here, okay, get the books, okay, boom. So sorry, after connection, okay, now we have to do something like, okay, let me say C will be equal, okay, con, okay, dot cursor, okay, we need to create a cursor that is going to help us, okay, then do this. So after this, okay, we need to execute. So let's say C dot execute, open and close. So we need to select all the information that we have from the database. So for that, let's say select, okay, select all, okay, from books, select all from the books. I save, I came here, okay, then let's say books, okay, will be equal C dot fetch, okay, C dot fetch, oh sorry, this fetch is wrong, is this fetch what, fetch all, open and close. I do this, boom, and I come here now, let's say now con dot, sorry, dot close, okay, we need to close when we open. See, we can do that with but no problem. Since this is a beginner tutorial, we can do first, let's do the manual way, okay, dot close, okay. So after close, we need to return the book so that we can get the book. So let's say now return, okay, return what, let's return all the books, okay, save. So we return this variable, okay, that contain all the books, save, perfect. So now let's execute this function get books to see. So I'm coming here, say I comment this so that it cannot get inserted twice, okay. So let's say now print, okay, print what, get books, okay, open and close, boom, save. If I run this, boom, now as you can see, we got all the books, okay, One Piece manga, Oda Sensei, Oda edition, blah blah blah, and well. So let's try to insert another one. Let's say Naruto manga, Naruto, I don't know which edition is Naruto, okay, Naruto, let's say Naruto also, I don't know the actors of Naruto. Let's say Okay, let's say Sasuke. Sasuke. But then say I don't know even how to write Sasuke. Which name can I give? Okay, let's say Enya. Okay. Naruto editions. Let's say Naruto editions. Naruto editions and Naruto. I don't know which year it is. I think 2002. I don't know. 2004. I don't know. Say blah 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 4. And let's keep a different number here. Let's just change anything and boom, save. If I run this, okay. Oh, I forgot. Let me remove this comment. Save. And if I run, boom. Now we can see we got Naruto, everything. Okay. Now our function is working perfectly. Okay. Let me comment this line. Boom. So now we have the function. We have the function to insert the book and to get the books. Okay. So now let's what I forget. Okay, sorry. Okay, now let's insert some users also. Okay, which is very important also. So to insert the users, it's gonna be something like this. Okay, so I'm just going to copy everything from here. Okay, I like to do copy paste. It's the best thing in programming, I will say. I'm just going to copy those guys. Okay, I'll come here. Where is the insert user? I'll come here and boom, I paste. Okay, so now let's change the information here. Okay, so books, title, blah, all those things. If I come here, we need what? We need first name, last name, address, email, and phone. Okay, so since there is one thing. Okay, since we define this guy ID as an integer primary key. Okay, we don't need to give the primary. We don't need to give the ID. Okay, ID will give automatically. Okay, it will keep incrementing automatically, so you don't need to give ID. As you can see, for example, here in Naruto, in One Piece it was 1. In Naruto now it went to 2. Okay, so you don't need to give ID. You just give the values, and ID is going to increment automatically. Okay, since this primary key cannot be null, so it will be incrementing himself automatically. So okay, to insert the user, so let's remove this guy. Okay, this guy is gonna come out from here first, and let's say something like that. This will be users. Okay, insert into users. But here first we need to do the modification. Okay, so not here, we need to give some arguments. So will be first name. This will be first name, okay, comma, last name, comma, address, okay, address, comma, email, comma, and phone. Okay, and the last will be phone. I save this. Perfect. So these same things, okay, we are going to need them. You come here, insert in the user, so the same values we will need them here. Boom, I just copy paste. How much? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, there are 5 also, and the same thing also is going to come here. Okay, just boom, perfect. So easy. That's how I love copy paste. Okay, and after that we're going to commit and boom, close everything. Okay, perfect. Now let's try to insert some users. I love that way. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, boom. And if I come here, let's say insert what we need to insert users. Okay, open and close. So the first user, let's say Joao, which is me, my name, and I forget last name. Okay, last name, let's say Wanda, it's me also, my name, and my address, let's say Angola, comma Cabinda. Okay, Angola, comma Cabinda. I'm from Angola. Is a country in Africa. Okay, Cabinda is a city. Then he's going to need my email. Okay, email, let's say joao@gmail.com. Okay, perfect. Save. And I think I'm missing something. No, which thing I'm missing? Okay, I'm missing phone number. Okay, so phone number, comma, let's give any number. So I think phone number use characters, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. Execute user type characters also. Perfect. So it must be a string also. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is my phone number. Save, and let's execute to see. If I save, execute, boom, nothing happened. That means it got inserted. Okay, so let's comment this one. So now we need to get all the books from the all the users from the users table. Okay, so for that it's the same thing, copy paste, the best thing in the world. So just let's copy this get books. Okay, I'm going to copy everything from here, and I'm coming here inside of get users. I'm coming here, boom, I paste. Now let's make some change. Instead of from books, let's say here from users. Okay, user instead of books. Okay, let's give users. Okay, save. And if I run this, okay, nothing's gonna happen because first we need to call it. Okay, instead of get books, let's use get users. Save. I save. If I run this, boom, now we have João, Mwanda, Angola, João at Gmail, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is how easy it is to do this thing. Okay, to search the books. Perfect. Now we insert the book, we insert the users. So just missing insert the loan, get the books on the loan, get update loan, and boom, we are good to go to the next level. Okay. So perfect. So now to get to insert the loans, so it's almost the same thing. Okay. Let's copy first this guy. Okay. And to insert the loans, come here and boom, paste. Now let's make this change. So to insert the loan, we are going to need let's where is the loan table. We are gonna need the book ID. Oh, this is a little tough, so we need to concentrate on this. We are going to need a book ID. Okay, so we're gonna need the book ID, comma, and users ID. Okay, user ID, comma. Then after the user ID, we are gonna need the loan date. Okay, this will be a test, no problem, comma, and the return date also. Okay, return date, comma, stay there. And yeah, I think, yeah, that's all that we are gonna need. Okay, I'm going to this. Perfect. So and for here, let's say insert into, instead of user, let's say loans. Okay, loans. So what we are going to insert, we are going to insert all of these guys. Okay, so let me copy them, and you guys come here, and boom, I paste them here. Okay, we are going to set them, and we are going to need them here also. And how many are them? 1 2 3 4. So it's only 4. If it is only 4, just let's remove 1 here. Boom, 4. Perfect. Save. And after that, just commit and close. Okay, see, too easy to do stuff. Okay, so now let's try to insert some values to see how it's going to work, how it's going to behave. Okay, if it's going to behave good or not. So let's insert some information. So in order to insert, let's come here down, and let's insert some info, and we can see book. Okay, no, insert loan, not insert book. Insert what? Insert loan. So if you want to insert loan, so let's say what if book ID, so let's say the first book. Okay, comma, let's use the first user, which is 1. Okay, 1, comma, and let's give the date. Okay, the date. So for the date, let's say the date that is going to take it is the date, the loan date. Okay, so the loan date, let's say which year are we now, and I think now. Okay, let's say 2025. Oh, already 25. Nice, it's going fast. 2025 02 and 0. Oh, today's 10. I forget. Okay, and 10. Okay, save. And we need one more info. Oh, so not there. Here, comma. We need one more info, which is the return. So the return, since we didn't return, we are just doing the loan. So let's say none. Okay, none this way. Perfect. It's like empty. It's not empty. Okay, because none is also a data, but it's like nothing is there. Something like that. It's like a void. Save. Okay. If I run this, Ctrl S and Ctrl B, nothing happened. It just print this. Okay. Now let's see if the books are there or not. Okay. So if the loans are there or not. So to get the loans, we need to do something like this. Okay, perfect. For that, we need to do something like this. Okay, to get loans here, we need to concentrate a little while. Okay, because this is a lot of SQL commands, so we can do something like this. Okay, so first we are going to create a variable called con. Okay, con will be equal connect. Sorry, equal connects, open and close. Okay, let me comment this guy. Okay, so that he cannot get inserted again. Oh, sorry. Perfect. Get connect. Okay, boom. Then after that, we are going to create a variable called results. Okay, result will be equal connect. Okay, not connect, sorry. Result is gonna be equal con, dot execute, okay, open and close. So 1 2 3 space 1 2 3. Okay, so here inside we are going to give some SQL commands. Okay, so I give it like this because it's gonna be a very big commands. So for that we are going to do something like this. Okay, so first we need to select, okay, first we need to select the loans ID. Okay, let's do select loans, okay, dot ID, comma, okay, let's connect also books dot, okay, title, comma, and users names, okay, users dot first, okay, first name, okay, and we are gonna need also the user's last name, okay, comma, users dot last name, okay, comma, loans dot loan date, okay, loan date, comma, okay, and in the end we are gonna need the loans, okay, loans dot return date. Okay, perfect. Let's come down. So after that, okay, we need to select the books, okay, because this we are going to use the join connections. Okay, so let's do from books, okay, let's do inner join, okay, inner join loans on book, okay, books dot ID will be equal loans dot books, not book, no, book ID. Okay, again inner join, okay, users, okay, user on users, okay, on user dot ID will be equal loans, okay, dot user underscore ID, okay, let's lose the underscore ID, then where, okay, where I think it's better to give it capital, so where loans dot returns, okay, returns date is null. Boom. So all of this, let's say dot fetch all, okay, open and close this way. Perfect. And let's do some con commit and con close. Okay, perfect. Down and boom, con commit and not sorry, we don't need commit. Okay, we are not insert anything. Dog close, I forget this. Okay, con close, even here con close is supposed to be this. Perfect. Con close, where are we? Yeah, we are here. Con close, and then return what we are going to return what? Result, not results, but result. Okay, return result. Perfecto. And after that, let's try to run this guy. Okay, get loans, come here, close. Instead of print this, let's print this guy. Save. Let's see if you have some errors, and boom, we start with errors. Perfect. Get close. Okay, where are the operation? No such colon, loans return date. Oh, we get some errors from here. Loans, it's a colon, no? Return date, what I said, return date, no such colon, loans returns date. Loans is loans or loan? Loans, okay, return date. Perfect. Return date, I didn't write where is returns date. Loans dot returns date. Okay, returns, I know that this S is, where is it? Loans date, loans return date. Is it returns or return? Return, okay, return. Then where is this loans the returns date? Loans returns date. returns. Oh, it's here. Where loans returns. Yes. Bye bye. Save and run. Boom. Okay, perfecto. It's working. See, as you can see, he got us one piece. João is the person who got the book. Okay, and this is the date, and the return date is empty. Perfecto. It's working. Okay, so now the last function that we need is the upload return date. Okay, update loan return date. So for that is the same thing. Okay, the same history. Let's create some connection. Come a little up. Let's create some connection. Boom. And we need to execute this connection. Okay, so let's say con dot execute. What we are going to execute, open it and close. I do this because we need, when the user will return the book, okay, we need to update this date. Okay, so we need to put some date there here in this value. So for that we are going to say something like that: update. Okay, loans set return. Okay, return date will be equal, boom, question mark. Okay, because we don't know. And then let's say where. Okay, where what? Where ID. Okay, we need to give the ID, where ID will be equal underscore r. So because we don't know the ID, then come here, put comma. Okay, and after this, what we are going to give, so we are going to pass the return dates value and the loans also ID. So for that, let's come here first. Let's say loan. Okay, sorry, loan underscore ID, because this function is going to get a loan ID, then also the return. Okay, the return date, the date that is returning the stuffs, the things. Okay, the book. Save. So it's going to get this thing itself. Okay, I'm just going to copy and boom, I'm going to paste here. Okay, perfect. So now we need to do some commit and close. Okay, boom, copy this guy, come here, boom, space, commit and close. Okay, a little space is not good to join them. Boom, see properly. Okay, so okay, let's perform that operation, which is update loan date. Okay, I'm going to open this loan ID. So this is a loan ID, which is 1. Boom, 1, and a date. Okay, let me give this date itself. Okay, I'm just going to give this date, copy and boom, paste here. And okay, if I save and run, I got some error. What he said, oh sorry, this guy is supposed to be a string. Okay, save, comma, and I run. Boom, perfect. Okay, save and run, but it's still showing books on loan like one piece. Okay, it's still showing this guy is here in the loan one piece. Is not inserting. It's not supposed to show this guy. So our functions, we just finished all the functions, but this function I think is not working properly. So when we'll do the interface part, okay, we will correct this guy properly. Okay, because when I commit this and when I run, it's not, this guy is supposed to give me, or better, it's supposed to return, okay, an empty list, because since we return the book, so it's not supposed to be there on the books which is well known. So in the interface phase, okay, in that interface part, we are going to correct this function properly again. Okay, we have to check this function. Okay, but meanwhile, let's stop from here. Okay, so we got everything that we need. Okay, now we got our views, our function that's going to operate all the needed, okay, functionality, and this is the database. Okay, so the next one, we are going to create the interface phase part. Then after interface, then we just connect everything together so that it can be a working application. Okay, so my name is João and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.